Once upon a time, there lived an ironworker in a small village. His small home situated near his workshop, where he spent his days making iron things. Folks in the village admired his skill. They often bought the iron stuff he made. Once, there was a kind saint traveling with two of his followers. Night had arrived, and it was unsafe to continue their journey. They spotted an ironsmith's workshop just outside a village. The house of the ironsmith was nearby. When the sage and his followers approached the ironsmith's house, the sage gently tapped on the door. Harry opened the door and saw a kind sage and his followers standing there. The saint asked the ironsmith,
"Can we stay at your house tonight?"
Harry bowed and replied,
"Yes. You are most welcome."
Harry treated them like guests. In the morning, while departing, the saint said,
"We are pleased with your hospitality. Ask for 3 boons."
Harry had heard that the saints had the power to grant wishes. He said,
"O great one, if you are pleased, bless me to be young even at the age of 100.
Harry again spoke.
For the second one, grant me that there is no death of anything in my home.
For the third time, the ironsmith got confused. He didn't know what to ask for. He looked at his iron foundry chair and blurted out,
Whoever sits on that chair must not be able to get up without my wish.
"So be it,"
said the saint, and he departed. The time passed. Harry remained young. When he was 100 years old, an angel came to take him. This angel was a death angel. Harry was scared. He said,
Lord, sit on that iron chair for a while. I will wind up my business.
The angel sat on it and was imprisoned. Now he could not get up until Harry wished. Harry killed a chicken to celebrate his achievement. The chicken came alive and flew away. Similarly, the ironsmith sacrificed a goat. Its head and body got together, and it ran away. Now no creature was dying. The air was thick with insects, and the water was full of germs and creatures. Life was becoming hell. It frightened Harry. Harry muttered to himself,
What have I done? I thought I wanted eternal youth and life without death. But this is not what I imagined. Life has become unbearable.
He glanced at the imprisoned angel and realized his mistake.
I should free the Death Angel,
he whispered. With a heavy heart, he approached the iron chair. He released the angel, and they departed for the other world. Moral: be careful what you wish for, as it may have unintended consequences.